Overnight, there was a lot of talk about takeover action, especially coming out of the US. Legendary investor Warren Buffett has announced that his Berkshire Hathaway company will take over Burlington Northern, a train company out of the US. They will pay $26 billion for the remaining shares that they do not already own. This, of course, would usually be some positive news for markets. However, markets are still concerned about the global financial industry. UBS, which is a large bank coming out of Switzerland, has announced another quarterly loss. This takes their quarterly losses to 4 in a row now. In addition to this, the UK banking sector is still in trouble. The Royal Bank of Scotland and Lloyds need to go back to the UK government for further help. The UK government will have to inject another £25 billion into the Royal Bank of Scotland, taking their standing up to 84%. This, of course, was not taken well by markets overnight. Despite markets moving lower, our New Zealand dollar has seen some positive moves overnight. This was mainly because of two reasons. Yesterday, the Reserve Bank of Australia announced a further increase in their overnight cash rate. This is the second time they have done this year, and they are the first major economy to increase their cash rate for the second time this year. This has now been increased up to 3.5%. In addition to this, the Fonterra Global Dairy Trade Auction did provide some positives for the New Zealand economy. Milk powder prices have increased strongly again over the past month, and this is good news for dairy farmers, but also very good news for the New Zealand economy. As a result of this, the New Zealand dollar has traded up slightly overnight, trading just shy of 72 cents on Wednesday morning. Fonterra's Global Dairy Trade Auction has again gone well overnight. Whole milk powder traded on this auction platform has increased by close to 14% across the 3 contract periods. Longer term contract periods out to 9 months increased by close to 20%, indicating that things are looking quite good further down the track. This reinforces the news we have been seeing over the past few months that commodity prices have been increasing, and suggests that countries are rebuilding inventories and demand fundamentals are coming back fairly strongly. The increase in prices has been quite remarkable over the past 4 months. Given where these prices are currently sitting and where they potentially could go, I believe that we will see further increases in the payout, and this may be up to 10% in this coming season.